Good morning, students. In previous lectures, we have started with new chapter of Unit 2, that is working with files. So, in working with file concept, we have two sub chapters: file uploading and file downloading. We have seen practical demonstration for this file uploading and file downloading. So let's see when we run this program. So we will get two buttons, one for select a file to upload and one for where file gets stored. So this is basically a file upload application where user can upload a file from its own location, and here how we can store it in another location, that is a file uploading concept. So suppose if we have a file that is FYBSCIT semester 1 OS, let's take another file. Yes, suppose if we have a file called as this cn go back and selective repeat arq.ppt. This is our file. So where we need to store, suppose if we need to store it in the folder, that we need to select, that we need to write a path for that file. Suppose it should be stored in a pictures. Yes, so see the path for this. Yes, it is home u12 pictures. So I am copying this URL and pasting over here. The file should be stored in this location. So click on upload. Yes, file name, which file we have uploaded, that is go back and select to repeat arq.ppt, and what we get message as file uploaded successfully. We can check manually whether the file is actually being uploaded or not. So go to these pictures one. Okay, in pictures only we got this file, that is go back and select to repeat arq. So this is about how we have uploaded that file. For this we have seen we require two files. One is index.html file where we need to give the servlet file name in an action attribute, that is file upload servlet, method should be post, and here we need to give, because we are doing the practicals for the working with files, so we need to give the encryption enc type for the attribute. So it should be multipart / form data. This is compulsory. By this attribute only it is recognized that we are dealing with the program is actually related to the file. Then we need two buttons, select file, we require one button, that is the upload file. Then we need one text box field for uploading a file. So its type should be file. You can give name and id as different, but your type should be file. And then we require for the destination also we require text box, that type is text box field only, but when we need to upload a file, that type should be file. Then one submit button is required. When user clicks on this, a user will get the file uploaded message. So for this we require file upload servlet file. So here in this how do we get the file data, particular file objects that we get by using these three lines, file part, file name, get submitted file name is a method which is used. Then input stream and output stream as initialized to null, because input stream is an used for reading a file, output stream is for writing a file. For this here the statements are checked. If that file is not equal to -1, अगर वो फाइल -1 नहीं है, that means the file is readable because it contains an content, data is there, so that data should be written, the os dot write that is data is in the readable form. If it is a -1, the condition becomes false. वो टाइम पे क्या हुआ है, वो यहाँ पे कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगा, क्योंकि दैट मीन्स यू रीच्ड एट एंड ऑफ द फाइल. एंड ऑफ द फाइल पे रीच करोगे तो -1 इज देयर फॉर coming out of this loop. If file is not found, then file not found exception should be thrown. That's why this catch statement is written. So this is about file upload. Then we have one, that is download a file. So second one is download a file. For this we require index.html file. This is an heading tag. Here it is. These both are the hyperlink. When user clicks on this doc download, we will get the file which is there in this link. So in the document there is a file called as python function.docx. When if you want to save, you can save. It is another file, that is I have not refreshed the page, that is unit 2 function in python.docx. It asks us for whether to save or whether to upload, whether to open with. We can, if you want to save, click on save, the file gets saved. That is unit 2 function in Python. When you click on this PDF, so TIBSAT syllabus, if you want to open, you can open, and whether you want to save, you can save. When click on save, the file gets saved in your location in download folder. If you want to open, you can open that file. So what is the actual code for this? So for the downloading the file, we require that file should be present in this web.inf folder. So these two files, TYBSCIT syllabus and unit 2 function in Python, both should be inside this web.inf folder. So just you need to copy and paste, copy the both files and paste, right click and paste over here. Now it is not copied, so paste option is disabled. When you copy the file, you will get a message called as, or you can directly control V, the both files gets added over here. This is compulsory because these files path we need to give in this index.html file. Here this index.html file, here it is file download. So file download is a sublet file name. In this we need file name is equal to, what is the name of this file? That is document file is unit 2 python in function, as it is we need to write, and with the extension that is docx, and user clicks on which link, so document download, doc download is a name of a hyperlink. And for same for the pdf file, pdf download के लिए भी सेम हम लोग यहाँ पे फाइल को मेंशन करेंगे TYBSCIT syllabus.pdf, because that file is present over here. That's why we need to write that file name only. So one is a document file, one is PDF file. When user clicks on any of the file, directly use what user will get to save or to open a file. So for this servlet context method is used, get resource as a stream is used, forward slash is used for as a parameter, because it consists it gives us it recognizes that file is present after this करंट डायरेक्टरी में ही फाइल है, बट स्लैश में मतलब करंट डायरेक्टरी में ही कोई एक फोल्डर में है, दैट्स वाई स्लैश इज रिटर्न. Okay, then if that file is not equal to -1, then file is written, and then in input stream is closed, and print out function, that out.close is written. So this is for this file download. I hope you have cleared with this file upload and file download concept. So This much we have seen in our previous lectures. If you have still you have any doubts, you can ask me in your live lecture. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.